Dude, I can't have this on video, bro.
And he shows your employer 15 years later.
So we're just teaching the fireman carry.
He did not say that first time. Talked about some kids in an unknown country.
Give me your arm, boy.
Dude.
I gotta get a little better grip.
I'm sideways.
Dude, what's in your fucking...
Dude. Hacksaw Ridge. Oh, my butt. I can't feel. Dude, he's not breathing.
Why did you put me on the floor?
He's not breathing.
He's breaking ribs.
Well, I can carry you.
Wait, explain. Wait.
Oh, dude. Oh my fuck. Stop.
I need
Stop, please. You fuck.
Okay, wait.
Oh, he's down. Yo. Come on, boy. Oh. Yo. Just give me one more.
There's a drop. Listen, Hanson, private arm shot in a third world country, right here in the aortic. We have to get him to safety quickly. He's bleeding out. Tourniquet on. Tight as fuck. Can't breathe. That's okay. We're gonna bring him up. Not down. Bubble down.
Dude, you're not doing it right. Don't drop me, bitch. Fuck you, stop. Fuck.
Oh, dude, no.
Yo, wait, scoot up. Scoot up.
Stop.
Scoot up, oh.
I can't.
Why are you begging? Wait, let me try the bridal carry. I just won't walk you anywhere.
This, oh, fuck.
Oh,
This is scary.
oh, shot a knee. Oh.
Stop fucking doing that. Let me do that. Dude, okay, come on, you gotta help me out a little bit.
Okay.
Turkey! Oh! Ow! Come on, son bitch!
That actually hurt as fuck. You can't say tourniquet. Dude, you're going to the bed. Yo!
Oh, my knee!
Wait. What is this? What is it?
Dude.
We were like a foot away. Cheers.